Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're already signed in, so start by checking obvious backups, a written seed, password manager entry, or hardware wallet. Once done, open Solflare settings and navigate to security options. Make sure you control the account and not a watch-only address. You're doing this now to avoid guessing later. If you have a hardware wallet, assemble it and connect. If you used an exported key store file, locate its password. This initial verification saves time and prevents risky recovery attempts. Once you've verified ownership, go to Solflare's Security or Backup menu where Recovery Export is available for unlocked accounts. Follow prompts to re-enter your wallet password or confirm on a hardware device. This proves you're the account owner. When the phrase appears, write it down immediately on paper. Do not store it digitally. Make sure nobody can see your screen and that you're offline if possible. If Solflare doesn't show an export option, you likely used a non-exportable hardware key or watch-only setup. After recording the phrase, double-check each word and place copies in two secure spots like a safe and secure deposit box. Once done, lock your wallet and clear any temporary files or screenshots. If you cannot export the phrase because the account is tied to a hardware wallet or was never backed up, verify that device or find the original setup notes. If problems persist, contact Solflare support, but avoid sharing your phrase with anyone. Support will never ask for the full seed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.